So I thought I'd chat a little bit about this card game called Set. On every card, there are kind of 4 features that can differ. So you've got the colour of a card, the shape that's on the card, the number of shapes that are on the card, and then the fill. A set is any 3 cards such that for each of those properties, they're either all the same or they're all different. For example, in front of me, I've got 3 cards. They're all green, they're all different shapes, they're all solid, and they all have 2 of them on them. And that forms a set because for each of those properties, they're either all the same or different. I've also got 3 cards in front of me such that they're all different colours, they're all different shapes, they're all different fills, and there's a different number of each shape. So that forms a set. But what would not form a set, for example, is the bottom one that I've got in front of me here. So 2 of them are green and 1 of them is purple. So we can automatically reject that because we don't have that like consistency property. How many cards are there in the set? And so there's four properties, each with 3 options. So that's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is there are 81 cards in the set. How many sets can I make from 81 cards? Any 2 cards determine the last card in that set. So if I take these 2 in front of me here, they're both green, they've got different fills, different numbers and different shapes. So the last one has to be 2 hollow ovals that are green. You've predetermined the last one. And so there are as many sets as there are ways to choose 2 cards from 81. But we've actually overcounted a little bit in that because say we choose card A and card B from a set, that's the same as choosing card A and card C, because we would end up with the same ABC. So we have to divide a little bit, and we have to divide by as many ways as there are to choose 2 cards from 3. It's something like 1080, 81 times 80 divided by, yeah, it was 1080. The way that you play it is you have 3x4 cards on the table, but sometimes you'll find that you can't form a set from what's on the table. How many cards can you have on the table at a given time such that there are no sets? And that's an example of what's called a maximal cap. In sets, it's 20. So you can have 20 cards on the table before you guarantee that there exists a set.